Hey traders, Lance here. We saw yesterday on the news flow scanner $10 million of NVDA puts when the stock was around 140 a share. This morning, a few days later, we're about $20 lower with that trader up tens of millions of dollars. And then we found out today the CEO sold over $100 million in stock last week. Was it him buying the puts? Let's dive into the screens. We'll look at institutional selling by the CEO, the $10 million put buy, and examine how did this trader know NVIDIA was going to sell off so much so quickly. Let's get to it.
Hey traders, let's dive into this $10 million put buy. So we can see here, and I made a note on the Telegram channel, which is completely free to join if you want. I said on June 20th, either 10 million as a hedge or stepping in front of a freight train calling the top in NVIDIA stock. We see 6 million of the July 138 puts and about 3 million in the June 145 puts that expired on a Friday. So these puts expired, about $20 in the money. So very nice trade, obviously, there, with the July 138 puts still sitting in open interest. Now we can see these puts they bought at 9:40 a.m. on the June 20th. So let's get into the details, and we can see 9:40 a.m., which is about right here. There we go. So literally the dead top in NVIDIA. Again, I'm just saying this trader has been fantastic, and I wonder who it is, and we'll see why here in a little bit. The shares are down about $20 since then. This is using my master indicator program for Thinkorswim. So if we really want to dive in details, let's see if we could go down to a 5-minute here, and maybe we can find it here. Let's see if we can get that intel. All right, so 9:40, wow, you can't make this stuff up. Literally the dead high in NVIDIA. Let me just line that up for you. 9:40 a.m., that's when the order hit, $6 million, 9:43, the $3 million, so 943 would still be in this candle right here. This is a 5-minute candle. Now shares are down $20, but here's what's interesting on this NVIDIA bet. If we look at, and we're just going to pull up a free website. Anyone can do this from their computer. Let's go, Ted, and type in NVIDIA. And we can see here that their CEO, the filing date was Friday. Okay, the trade date was 6/20. So that day, where we saw 10 million in puts, sold $31 million in stock, 31.5. Their CFO sold 12.5 million, and then we see about 32 million, 31 million by the CEO all last week. So this CEO, their CEO, sold about 100 million in stock. Could he have been the one who bought 10 million in puts? And by the way, these July puts that are still sitting in open interest, let me just go ahead and show you how they more than tripled their money in the puts. Okay, so here we go. We see how they bought the puts right there at 9:40. Remember, puts are time stamped and approved by the exchange. So you can see there's no dark pools, nothing like that. They paid around, let's just say $6.40 for those puts. They're now $20 in value. I want to know what you think. Do you think it was the CEO buying puts on his own company while selling 100 million shares of stock? Do you think it was just some random trader who got lucky? Let me know in the comments below. I'm very curious to hear your opinion. Make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll see you on the next one.